How many times have you guys picked up a cigar based on color? Lighter in color or darker in color? Milder, stronger? Let me tell you one thing. If you have picked up a cigar based on the color, thinking it's lighter or stronger, let me tell you, it's completely wrong. My name is Mel. I'm from MBombay. Let's talk about the whole idea about light and dark in colors wrappers. So, today we're going to talk about the colors of the wrapper. So, this one is actually an M Cuba. The wrapper is lighter in color. It does not mean it's a milder cigar or stronger cigar. The darker color, like the Corojo Oscuro that we have, is stronger in cigar. It's not like that. The perception is definitely, oh, it's a full-bodied cigar, it's a mild cigar. So before we go on to the body part, let's talk about why the colors are different. So when they grow tobacco, the tobacco does not grow on a plant like this, dark in color. To give you a simple analogy, take a lettuce, a leaf of lettuce, rub it in your hand. What happens? It gets darker. So the sugars are released, and that is the reason the heat of the hand, and it becomes darker. The same concept applies to tobacco leaves. Tobacco leaves are, when after harvesting, dried. Then when it comes to process of fermentation or sweating or curing, what we call, the simplest part is heat is applied, moisture is applied, so the fermentation begins. Now, when the heat is there, the tobacco leaf caramelizes, and that is what you see, the darker colors. When certain kinds of leaves are then aged or fermented for longer period of time, what happens? It gets more dark. So that is the reason that a tobacco leaf, which is probably aged for or fermented for 2 months, is not going to be as darker as the tobacco leaf fermented for 8 months. To keep that point very clear in your mind, there are certain kinds of leaves that can be turned darker, and there are only certain kinds of leaf that can only withstand more lighter color. So for the leaf to be turned a bit more darker, the leaf has to be slightly thicker. Connecticut broadleaf or San Andres, Mexican San Andres. So there are different varietals of tobacco that can be processed for their own individual things. Lighter color, darker color. Or the second part is there are flavor difference in the lighter colored cigars and the darker colored cigars. The way how I explain to the consumers when they come to pick up a cigar or they have not experienced cigars before or they're trying it for the first time, it is normally what kind of flavor profiles you're looking for. Are you looking for slightly nuttier flavors? Are you looking for slightly more stronger flavors like coffee, chicory, espresso? Now, when I use the word stronger flavors and milder flavors, it doesn't mean it's strong cigar or mild cigar. I'm talking strictly in terms of the flavors. So compare an almond in your mouth. If you're chewing almond, the flavors of almonds are strong, right? Now, think like sipping on a dark roast espresso. So if you compare those flavors, the flavors of espresso are more prominent or are more stronger compared to almond flavors. That is what I'm talking about, stronger and milder. The body, the amount of nicotine that you get is completely different thing. We'll talk about it in some other video. But right now, picking up a cigar is simple. Do not pick up a cigar based on the colors. Ask the tobacconist, ask your cigar store owner what he thinks about this particular cigar or that particular cigar. Based on your mood, you are smoking, it's your time, it's your money. So it's you. Do not just go out and somebody told you about this cigar being so great or this cigar being so poor. He might have different perception about it. So go to the cigar store, ask the guy, ask the cigar store owner, what kind of flavor you're looking for. Ask him for a recommendation. Listen to him and try it out. And guys, do not do the monkey see, monkey do business. It's a cigar. It's just a part of the evening. Do not make the whole evening. Let's suppose you got a cigar which was not what you were looking for. It was too stronger of a flavor or too milder of a flavor compared to what you ate. Give it another shot. Go to the humidor, pick up another cigar. It's okay. So do not have the entire evening based on a cigar. Cigar is fun. We all enjoy it. So may not be this one, maybe the next one. So it's okay. It doesn't mean that that cigar is bad. There are probably a million people who love that cigar. And there are many people who don't like the cigar. So either you or one. It's okay. So next time when you go to a humidor, speak up your mind. Ask this tobacconist. Ask the cigar store owner. See what he has. What is new in his humidor? Maybe something new that is not in the market. He just got it, and he offers you to try it based on what you are looking for. So do not hesitate asking somebody. Anyways, this is Mel signing it off. I hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy cigars. Take care.